This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. To start, you will need to open the Settings app. From here, enter the Accounts and Sync category and check whether you have any Google accounts added or linked to your system. If you have some, like I do, get rid of them by removing the account. Once there is no Google account left, re-enter the main settings page and go for the Google category this time. After that, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. In here, sign into your child's Google account or to the Google account that will be logged into at the child's phone. So, if you do not have if you do not have such account, just sign up for one, create a new Google account. But I do happen to have the Google page that I can use, so I'll simply log into it. So sign into the child's Google account as you would normally do. Then select it from the list over here. And now we gotta enter another Google account credentials, but this time for you as a parent, or, to put it one more time in simpler terms, sign into the Google account that you will be using to supervise your child's activity. So let me quickly enter my credentials. Then once the account gets logged into, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, which you gotta scroll all the way down and type in the password, but this time to the child's Google account once again. Then tap at the Agree button. At the following pop-up window that you'll get, go for the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked together. Then click Next. The Manage Child's App step you can skip. The same applies for the following step that suggests that we make some filters or age preferences, or age filters preferences. And from here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the phone or tablet, generally the device that you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue button over here and get the Family Link application automatically installed on your phone, or you can absolutely do that manually by skipping this step. So as you can see, the parental controls were successfully enabled or activated at the child's phone. Now, as a parent or supervisor, take your device this time and download the Family Link app for free from the Google Play Store. Now you can go ahead and launch the app. The only important step right now is to make sure that you sign into the Family Link with the parental Google account, so be cautious at this point. So let's give the phone some time to wake up. Or perhaps it will be better if I'll relaunch the app and try opening it again. Alrighty, so in here, as I was saying, make sure to sign into the parental Google account. And inside the app, you can do such things as setting up daily limit usage, downtime routine, manage your child app experience, apply content restrictions and age filters, configure account settings, manage devices, monitor your supervisee's location, check the device usage highlights, And well, that will be so. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.